She's so lazy. She's laying there eating her food. Laying there eating her food. How lazy she is. Yeah, I'm talking about she got up. You're so lazy. Hey guys. So, sorry about everything being so short and stuff, but this week I haven't done anything at all. Just been outside and got some sun since it's like 90 degrees here now. Yesterday last week it was 40. No, actually this week it was 40. Like Monday it was 47 degrees. Now it's 90. I'm like, oh God, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, Petey? What are we gonna do? So, yeah. That's that. Just got some sun for a little bit because those guys are still outside my house. So I didn't want to stay out there for too long. Get some sun. Felt nice though. Promise I'll have something interesting coming up soon. Make no promises when that'll be, but it'll be soon sometime. As long as I don't procrastinate, which is what I'm good at. Yeah, sorry, I had to think of something in. Oh! Ah! Hi. Blink, 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 blink. I have no idea. Eyes, nose, teeth. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, I guess this will be good night, guys. I'm falling in the floor for your entertainment. I will show you tomorrow.